Today we're preparing a Thanksgiving turkey an old school way, the brown bag method. Now this is a method that my grandfather used to do when he owned his restaurant many years ago. His name was Speed and he definitely had a knack for cooking. So hopefully we do this recipe justice today. What we're going to get into is how to prepare the bird, what temperature to cook it at, how long to cook it at, and we'll show you the final results so that you can get the best results when you do it this way at home. First thing we're going to do is prepare the bird. Now we have a couple of ingredients here. We have salt, pepper, and some poultry seasoning, as well as a basic mirepoix and some butter. Now, last ingredient is going to be some oil, which we'll use to smother over the bird itself, as well as the brown bag to seal it. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to separate the turkey skin from the bird so we can stuff some butter underneath. Okay. This really makes it juicy. Okay. Next, we'll place the mirepoix inside the turkey cavity. All right, that is looking nice and good. We got our butter, we've got our celery and onion and carrots, looking great. Next, we're going to go ahead and preheat our oven to 350 degrees because by the time we're done preparing these last few steps, our oven will be ready and our turkey can go in. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to coat the outside of the turkey with just some vegetable or canola oil. A few tablespoons is good. Just kind of massage it around. And for this part, I like to keep a clean hand and a dirty hand. Makes things a little easier for cleanup. All right, next we're going to do a little pepper. Some salt. And poultry seasoning. So next up, we're going to put it in our brown bag. So for that, this is just a basic brown bag you can get at your local grocery store. Now I picked up 2 bags just in case this turkey doesn't fit in the single bag. But we're going to try to shoot for the first bag, and if we need to, we'll use that second one. Go ahead and open that up. And it can be useful to have a little help. Back that guy in. So it looks a little bit close as far as sealing properly. So we're going to first coat this with oil, then we'll throw that second bag over on this opposite side and coat that with oil as well. All right, let's go ahead and put our second bag on. All right, so our bag is nice and oiled. Our turkey is essentially ready to go. Just a few minutes before that oven is ready, and we'll put the turkey in. Now, when you're cooking this is about a 13-pound bird. We recommend 13 to 15 minutes per pound at 350, and you're shooting for an internal temperature of about 165. Let's go ahead and put our turkey in. All right, it's been about 3.5 hours for our turkey. It's time to pull it out and put the thermometer in it. Ooh. Looks good. Perfect. It's actually at about 170, a little bit over the specific temperature required for poultry to be cooked, but that's going to be just fine. So let's get this thing out of the bag and onto our serving platter. Ooh, it's a little warm. It's like opening a Christmas present, but a delicious one. Oh, wow. Look at this turkey. Nice and golden on the crust. Let's get this out of here and put it onto our serving plate. Well, as you can see, the turkey turned out amazing. We're gonna go ahead and start carving this because it's almost time to eat. But, you know, the chef's gotta have a little taste, right? That is looking nice and juicy. Still steaming and hot. Fantastic. Ooh, boy. That is looking really, really good. Oh, wow. Very moist, very juicy. Has a nice smoky flavor to it, oddly enough. And the salt is very, very prevalent, which is nice because it tends to be kind of a bland meat. But overall, this has turned out to be quite a tasty turkey. Looking forward to finishing carving this and having a fantastic feast with my family. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you try this turkey recipe out, make sure you leave a comment below and tell us how yours went. We'd love to hear from you.